As you can probably tell from my lack of posting, my life has been a mess lately. And so has my room. We all know that 2022 is about to be everybody's reputation era. So in order to get started on the new era of my life, I am going to completely reorganize my dorm room. By the way, if you're wondering where I got all of these cool glasses from, let's take a word for today's sponsor, glassesusa.com. They offer over 9,000 different styles of like regular glasses and sunglasses, and even specialty glasses like sports glasses and blue light blocking glasses. Right now, I'll be showing you a couple different options they have from their in-house brands like Muse and Amelia E, and some other ones from designer brands like Ray-Ban, which are the brand of the glasses that I'm wearing right now throughout this video and potentially throughout the rest of my life. If you are a bit iffy about buying glasses online before you try them on, fear not, they have a virtual try-on tool which uses this AR mapping thing to help you assess whether the glasses are well suited to your face before you end up buying them. And if you're still a bit overwhelmed with the thousands of options available on glassesusa.com and you don't even know what to start trying on, I recommend checking out their quiz, which will help you match your face shape and features and sizing with all of the features that you're looking for. It's a really great way to just get a curated list of what might be a good fit for you and go ahead and start trying them on with the virtual try-on. Once you've selected your perfect frames, you can also customize your lenses. One thing I like to add is the blue light blocking, which has been really helpful for reducing my eye strain because I have to look at a screen all the time. And you can add your prescription to almost any lenses, including sunglasses. And of course, the best part is the price, because by cutting out the middleman between glasses manufacturer and selling it to you, they're able to take about 70% off retail price. A complete pair of either eyeglasses or sunglasses starts at around $30. If you're in need of new glasses, be sure to check out glassesusa.com with the link in my description. Thank you glassesusa.com for sponsoring this video, helping me to buy all the new organizational supplies that I'm going to be using. And speaking of organizational supplies, let's get started. If there's anything I feel like unites that demographic between younger millennials and older Gen Z women, it is carts, specifically building our own carts because we are crafty critters. I found this one online. I'll put a link in the description, and I know people love the IKEA one too, but I just like that this one has drawers. It did take a long time to build though, a lot longer than my quick editing cuts would suggest, and after spending the good portion of the morning building it, it's now time to fill it up with all the stuff that's been sitting around in messy piles in my desk drawers. My desk has always felt kind of visually cluttered, and I think the overwhelming colorfulness of my stationery might have been part of it. So I decided to move most of it into my craft cart. Since I've switched to digital note-taking, I don't use a lot of it super often anyways. And voila, here's the finished craft cart. Sorry I couldn't get a great shot of it because it's backlit and I'm not that great at taking backlit shots. Gonna need more practice for that. I love this lip gloss, but I've had it since I was a freshman in high school, so I think it has to go. Yeah, my bin of mostly expired makeup has definitely been another source of visual clutter. They even label it with the year, Lunar New Year 2020. These are definitely expired. Our next problem child is what I call the pharmacy drawer because it contains makeup, health items, personal care, just things you would probably find at a CVS. And I started by taking out all of the things I would categorize as health and not beauty, because my main problem was that drawer is impossible to open and close because it is overfilled. So I just moved everything into these newly empty drawers that used to have craft stuff. I have a similar overfull problem with my food, snacks, and dishes drawer, so I started by taking everything out and cleaning it because I spilled cereal in here about a week ago. I'm sorry if you find these sped up noises a little disturbing, by the way, but I think they're kind of satisfying. This first bin is for items that, for legal reasons, I just have for funsies. I have no way to cook these. I have never had a tea kettle in my dorm room, nor have I ever borrowed somebody else's microwave. We only own items that are allowed by UCLA housing. Yay. And my second bin is for tea stuff. I've been learning how to make matcha, and of course I have my old favorite tea bags and loose leaf. And that is everything for today's video. I feel so satisfied with everything that I got done today. But yeah, I hope you found this video interesting or inspiring or helpful in some way. I know I haven't been the most consistent with uploading videos lately. It's a bit cliche, but yeah, school has been a lot lately. I'm going to try to post as much as I possibly can though, because I really do miss making videos. So I will see you in the next one. And a friendly reminder, make sure to check out glassesusa.com with the link in the description if you're interested in getting a new pair of glasses. Alright, that is everything for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Time for a new era. See you next time.